In the beginning of the year 2025, Sam Altman said that AI agent will come to picture. And by the mid of this year, they launched ChatGPT Agent. So in this video, we'll give you all the details that will stand out features, what are the things are there really it will separate from the other models that are available, who will benefit from the ChatGPT agent and how, AI agent safety tips, which is the most critical part, and all the comparison with the benchmarks, whatever is being done. So exactly what will cover na agent creation, how ChatGPT agent is made and capability, the task execution, understand the process of how the agent execute the task and how you will have a overall visibility on that. Then how that agent will select which tools needs to be used, standard features as you said, then beneficiaries, who exactly will get the benefit, maximum benefit from this agent. Then safety tips, it is the most critical part, will tell you, then performance benchmark. If you see this chat gpt agent before, it's not a completely separate product, it's being done with the help of this operator, then deep research, some virtual machine, also image generation api. So if you see in the beginning of the year, this operator was launched by ChatGPT. Then what it does now, it will like a human agent. It will go to different websites. There it can do all activities. Like you will use the cursor, it will drag and drop the forms and all, then fill out the forms. So it will do all activities, right? But it is having one issue is that it will be very slow, for example. And then ChatGPT launched, I mean OpenAI launched deep research. So what is deep research? It's kind of text browser. This is the operator is the visual browser, but deep research is the text browser. What it does now, it is complementary from this operator. This operator will be very efficient going through different website, the GUI you can say, this is the GUI browser you can say. But this deep research, it will get all the details in the text format. That means it can get huge amount of readings, you can get huge amount of context, and it will deep research very quickly. It will quickly read multiple web pages, efficiently search for information, summarize and synthesize information. That means it will give a report with a deep research topic. But what they observed means some people, whenever they trying to go to website, let's say they want to book some hotels and all, they want a deep research, I mean in that GUI also they are saying that okay, go to let's say bookings.com and other websites, go Ibibo and all, let's say yatra.com, and you will get all the details from this and research particularly where we can get benefit in the cheaper price and all. But this one will, this operator struggles there. But in deep research also, whenever they can get all the details, but it will not provide you all the, kind of visually satisfying answers. Then what they thought, if we'll combine this operator and deep research, and we will, as we are creating an agent, we will give a separate machines for our agent. Then it will use deep research whenever it is needed, operator whenever it is needed. It will run some code based on the data it will get from the deep research. If you want to call any particular things, then it will call the api, the generate and analyze the files, right? So in this call API, it is not only calling for the public APIs, it also calls for the internal kind of, let's say, Google Drive, Gmail, and let's say if you have some coding tools and all GitHubs, so it will also call. Then it will also have image generation API. If you remember in our previous videos also, we have mentioned the ChatGPT image generation. It's not a image generation like mid journey or clean ai or any other thing. It's completely different in the sense you can have a full control of your image. So what it does, if you see, it is generating slide decks, create visual ads, and enhance report and documents. That means whatever the details you will provide, right? Means these means whatever the agent will say that okay, these things I have deep research, I have gone to this website, and after that virtual machine, I have done all details. You generate that image. Means for example, this particular slide, it looks like an image, right? But the proper proper kind of text has been given. So similarly, so this image generation, what it does, it will give the final product like a image by giving all the data in it. So whenever it gives the image, finally that we can see it looks like a very good realistic representation, and we can use it, right? So guys, before we'll go further, means I will request you to subscribe to this channel, because if you see, we really, if you don't subscribe, what you will miss na, there will be valuable insights and potential learnings opportunity you will miss. And if you subscribe, definitely you will access to simplified AI. You will learn faster, because we are doing a lot of deep research. If you see, first of all, we are doing the research, then we're simplifying that one, what will be good for your level. Then usefulness, what exactly real the usefulness. It's not that we will just log in and we will give you keep on talking these things are happening. We are giving real learning, so that you can learn faster and you can stay ahead. So I hope it will be definitely helpful for you to subscribe, and if you want, you can give your love by giving the like and all. But please subscribe, so that you will get notified. These are the good contents we are providing. Now you will come to AI agent task execution process. This is very important, please focus on this. So any of the thing, as we already told in the previous videos also, so any of the things you want to generate from AI, you need a prompt. So what you do, you will give a proper prompt. It will in the on there also in the agent. So there you will give the prompt, and after giving the prompt, what will happen, this will set up the environment. Because in the previous things also, if you see, we have a virtual machine in this chat gpt. So in that virtual machine, it will set up its environment, right? Then it will clarify, let's say, because this agent, you remember, it's not like the regular chat you are doing with the chat gpt. You are regularly, you can it will take a lot of time, maybe 30 minutes it can take 7 minutes, based on your context, what exactly you want to do through AI agent. So it will clarify some request, means like AI agent ask for clarification on the prompt, right? Then once it will get clarified, or maybe if you skip the clarification and all, whatever the information you have given, it will select the tools. Like in the virtual machine, it will select the tools, which proper tools needs to be used. We will go in details in future. Then task execution, then it will execute all the tasks. Then visualization, it will use the agent screen. If you see, this will in this AI agent, one good thing is that whatever the things it will do, it will have a kind of screen recording. And it will miss whatever it is thinking, whatever it is doing, it will keep on writing in the screen, right? So what will happen, you can it will in the chat area also, you will have a screen where everything will be shown. But let's say 30-minute task is going on, definitely you will not wait, and you will not look what exactly it is doing. Initially it will be good for you to see how it's working and all, but later point of time, you will definitely kind of forget to, you will just leave it as it is. Once it is finished, then you will look. But how you will know what exact process it follows and all? So at that time, what it does, whatever the process it is doing, it is screen record, and it will keep in that chart itself. So can, if you see any issues is there or something, you can navigate from end to end what it does, and how it proceeds, right? Then how the agent is selecting the tools? First, it will mostly it will always do first the deep research, because it is taking a lot of time, it is getting gathering all data, right? So it is, for example, it's a restaurant availability that we want to search, we want to book a good restaurant. So in the deep research, it will find the restaurant candidates initially, means based on your preference, based on your requirement, what are the restaurants are there. Then it will this is the deep research, means that is the AI deep research, chat gpt deep research it will use. Then view photos, this case it will be using that GUI browser, that is the operator. It will check the availability by seeing the photo, going really to the website, and it will complete the bookings also. Now this code editing, that means it will get all the details. Let's say deep research, it will go, it will view the photos. This code editing is not necessary exactly the some code it will write and all, but internally it will do some manipulation, which you can say that code editing. It compiles the artifact after research, resource search, right? So whatever the terminal is there, it will compile. Then what are the standout features? There are good standout features in this particular AI agent. So what are those? Now, visual tools and screen recording, this we already covered. The all the steps are being recorded in the chat gpt window. Then see all AI open browser tabs and run codes in real time. I mean, the same thing, it is recorded here. You can see end to end what it's exactly doing, right? Then anti-hack defense, this is the very 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 critical part. Because what happens now nowadays, earlier you must have heard that malicious softwares are there. There will be ransomware, there will be some cyber attacks. So here also means the way this AI is being evolved, the agent is taking over, it is taking our credit card details and all. Here also what it does, a lot of hackers will try to inject the prompt. Because as we said that initially, what happens now, your prompt is the main thing which matters, right? So if they will able to insert, definitely there will be some security firewalls and all, but insert, they will able to insert some prompt. It will think that, yeah, means this is also my user and it is asking for these changes and all. It can purchase something for them, it can ship some product to their locations and all. So that is the huge concern here, which they have addressed from the initially. I mean, recently they launched, they put this one as a stepping stone, so that it will be very good in the future controlling and reliability. So what they did, now, build in safety like review action before they happen and clear the sensitive data. It is huge. You can say sometimes we are saving our credit card details and all. No, it will remove the sensitive data and all first. Then watch mode prompt. That means AI action like deleting files require approvals. Let's say it want to delete something, right? It want to purchase something, so it will ask you. Then erase login data. Whatever the login data, it is the same kind of the login data is there, that will be erased by preventing lingering sessions, right? Then it is the auto scheduling cycle, right? So what happens, for example, we want to because if you work on any organization or in your schools, so they have recurring meetings every week. There is a meetings is there, particular, let's say Thursday 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. there is a meeting. So similarly, let's say you want to do something for that particular meeting, or you want to do some activities on every Friday at this time to this time. So at that time you can schedule, means you have the AI agent, you will schedule from this time to this time, like set task frequently, like define how often the task should repeat. Then execute tasks. The system automatically performs the task, update the records, ensure all records are current and accurate. Then review outcome, check the results to ensure they meet the expectation. So that is the auto scheduling cycle. It is the most important part. I think all the viewers, from whichever level, whichever the group you are belong, it will helpful. How we will see, we have given one an example, like from student, it can summarize research papers and create presentation, right? For professional, generate and email daily sales report. You can apply in your area of work. Then teachers, it can create quiz from textbooks and offload, right? It will search the textbook and it will offload a quiz and all. Then content creator research trending topics and generate scripts, right? If you want to see you want to attract a lot of people to your channel, so you can search a lot of topics using the deep research of the agent, and after that it will give you the generated scripts and all. It can also create the presentation and excel reports. So HR professional, it will filter the resume. This filtering resume, it been done since ages, but anyways means it will further helpful in filtering resumes and shortlist candidates based on your requirement and all. Then freshers, they can find a job opening and customize resume, right? So what here is an interesting part. For example, there are one person have 3 to 4 skills, right? So they can do something like, if you see, let's say this skill, 5 skills are there. For first 2 skills, if you find something in the particular company in the job posting, you will do one thing, you will create a resume accordingly. For the next 3 skills, you will create the resume accordingly. That means it will dynamically create your resume. It will ask for your, at the end, just a kind of review mode. You will just review that resume and it will post it in that particular job posting and all. Then managers, they can compile the projects, update and send summaries. Business owners, they can monitor inventory and auto alert for the low stocks, right? It is very helpful for business owners, because sometimes whenever the customer comes, let's say 50 products we have left in our inventory, but customer comes suddenly will 150, right? So it can see the how the you know how the people are coming for the products. It will analyze, then after that it can also say that okay, this product is in high demand, this is the amount, and please order. So it will run the business very smoothly. Then accountants, they can extract invoices from emails and log them, right? Doctor and admins, they can send patient reminders and prepare notes. So AI agent safety tips. So these are, we already discussed, but it is a huge important part. If you see password security, it will never share personal password in the chat. Sorry, you need to mind all these things. You will never share personal password in the chart. Whenever you are giving, don't share the personal password. Rather, you will activate the watch mode where you will give the password, right? Or if you are giving the password, then you will set up that it will remove the password. Then sample testing, test on sample data first, right? Sample data, you will see how it is behaving. Even though OpenAI say that it has tested in a huge amount of data, but you need to see whether you are getting the result as per your data, your expectation or not, right? Then data clearing after session data, after use, you can clear the session data. Then file review, review the files before sharing. Action review, always review actions in watch mode, right? So it is this action is very very important, because this will, at this time you will give some password, you will click yes. If agent say that okay, this is the product based on your requirement, you need to just review. Maybe that product is, you are thinking that it will be $100, it will be $10,000 but automatically AI agent will purchase that one, so you don't want that. So you need to have a watch mode. So you will be, anything AI agent will do, before that you will be kind of was that. Then code verification, double check AI generated codes, fast checking web info before using, right? Access limitation, limit access to sensitive systems. It is very very important, because of sensitive data, you don't allow them to give the very limited access. Then performance benchmark, this is the browse chat gpt, that is the browse comp, this benchmark, it is excels because 68.9%. But whereas the deep research, only in the only deep research AI, open AI, so that will have 51%. Then spreadsheet benchmark also you have brought, that the direct spreadsheet edit, that is the 45.54, and the guide spreadsheet edit, that is the 35.27. And humanities last exam, that is for GPT-4o, it was 3.3% only. But you just see agent deep research mode, it is 26.6, which is the huge leap. Then O3 mini, it has 13%, but agent is doing very well. If you see here, be it here or be it direct spreadsheet search and all, it is doing very well. So that's all guys from our end, and until the next video, please take care and subscribe to our channel to get notified. Till then, take care and bye bye, guys.